Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to display the ASCII code of A to Z, and this is a small a to Z characters. So these are the characters that you have to take, that is the range from A to Z, that is capital, and small a to Z, and you have to print the ASCII code. So ASCII code is nothing but a integer type, so that it's a kind of standard that your computer uses in order to exchange the information. So you have to print the ASCII code of each of these from the A to Z. So that is a problem statement. So before going to the solution, so you have to know this function, that is odd. So this will take a character and return the ASCII code of any character. So yeah, so we'll be using the odd function in order to get the ASCII code of each value, that is a character. So in order to get the range, so I'll be using the built-in string. So the string is from let's import the range, that is A to Z, that is a capital, and small a to Z from the string. So in order to do that, so let's use the built-in module from string. So I'll be importing the ASCII value, that is a uppercase letters, and ASCII letters, that is a small letters. So this is a string type which contains capital A to Z, and this for small, this is a letter, that is lowercase, sorry, yeah. So this contains the lowercase, and this contains the uppercase, that is a capital A to Z and small a to Z. Yeah, so once we import it, so let's try to print some user friendly message. So let's use print function, and let's print the ASCII code of A to Z is dot dot dot, and from here, so let's iterate all the characters present in the uppercase. So for that, I'll use a for loop, that is for letter in ASCII uppercase. So let me take ASCII uppercase, and yeah, so I'll be iterating each and every letter in the ASCII uppercase, and let's use a print function to print the ASCII value. So let's say ASCII code of, let's use a print formatting. So I'll use a letter, and is let's give colon, and here let's use a ORD function call. So this will give us the ASCII code of the letter. So let's pass the letter variable. So this is a temporary variable that we are using to store the letter. So this is for the uppercase. So in order to print for the lowercase, so let's use again the print function, and here let me copy the same and paste it over here, and let's modify, that is a small a to Z. So let's use again the for loop to iterate all the letters present in the small ASCII cases, that is for letter in ASCII lowercase. And again let's copy paste the same, that is I'll be getting the ASCII code by calling the odd function. So this for the uppercase, and this for the lowercase. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to display the ASCII code of A to Z, that is capitals, and small a to Z characters. So let me execute this, and let me show you how it works. Executing the program. So you can see the ASCII code of these characters has been printed, that is from A it is 65 66 up to Z, that is 90, and ASCII code of small a to Z, that is starting from 97, so it carries up to plus 26, that is 122. Yeah, so this is the complete Python program to display the ASCII code of A to Z and small a to Z characters. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.